Hello, my name is Carlos Martínez, and it's a pleasure to share with you a little bit of the art of mime in my first online workshop. It will be on May 15 at 2:30. There I am going to share the three basic elements of this art. One thing is the feet, the other is the hands, and the third one is the face. With the feet, we can show characters, but not only by walking, because we don't walk in the same way when we are in a museum or in a library, when we are in a market or a supermarket. With the hands, we can show many things, but especially in the art of mime, we show objects. A glass, for example, or a broom, or even the classical glass box. These things are part of the mime education. And of course, is the face. With the face, we can show what we are thinking. If we are interested, if we are a little bit suspicious, if we don't care at all. But we are also showing feelings like I'm sad, or I'm very angry, or afraid, or happy. Especially happy, because I think that the sense of humor is so important on the stage, but also in life. I wish you a very good time with the art of mime in my workshop, my first online workshop on May 15 at 2:30. I hope to see you there. Until then, thanks and ciao.